Welcome back. Today we're diving into 3 powerful alternatives to Devin AI. If you're looking to boost your AI toolkit or explore new options, this video is for you. I'll walk you through each platform, the setup, and the best practices to maximize your AI experience. Devin AI is a popular AI assistant, but many users are exploring alternatives to see what else is out there. First up is Devin AI. To get started, just go to the website, create an account, and follow the onboarding guide. Devin has tools for real-time collaboration, customized reports, and data tracking. Always start by defining your goals within the Devika's interface, as it will allow the AI to suggest workflows and shortcuts tailored to those needs. Remember to start with the basic settings and gradually explore more options as you go, since Devika can be overwhelming. You can enable the Smart Analysis feature to get automated insights on your data, which can help you in creating reports and presentation quickly. Next, you can try Replit AI. Head to their website, create your account, and follow this setup guide. It allows for integrations with major platforms, so connect those to make the most out of it. Their standout feature is its analytics capabilities, with predictive insights and performance tracking. Start by defining a workflow that automates your most repetitive tasks. One issue users face is understanding their complex analytics dashboard. A helpful way to approach this is by setting up simplified reports first, to get comfortable with their interface. And finally, you can try SWE Agent. Sign up and follow their setup instructions. Think of Agent as an AI worker handling specific aspects of a project. Their strength is their AI agent-based structure, which allows for different agents to manage different workflows simultaneously. You start with assigning one agent to one straightforward task. Some users have found the agent-based system a bit confusing initially. To overcome this, start small by assigning just one agent and expanding as you get familiar with the setup. You can leverage the group system to bundle tasks together under one AI agent group.
Thanks for watching. If this video was helpful, please like and subscribe to our channel for more tips and tutorials.